Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to stream your favorite shows and movies with NordVPN, even when certain titles aren't available in your region. Let's get started. First, download and install NordVPN on the device you usually stream on. That could be your phone, laptop, tablet, smart TV, or even a Fire Stick. NordVPN works on just about every major platform. Once the app is installed, open it and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can grab the discounted deal linked in the description, which includes 74% off plus 3 extra months. Next, choose the country that has the content library you want. For example, connect to a United States server if you're trying to access the US Netflix catalog. Wait a moment until the connection turns green. Once you're connected, refresh your streaming app or reload the browser. This updates your location on the platform. Now open Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, or whichever service you use. You should see the updated library with region-specific titles available. If something doesn't load right away, try switching to a different server in the same country or clearing your browser cookies. Those 2 steps fix most issues. NordVPN works across phones, tablets, computers, smart TVs, and even routers. This means your entire household can stream different regional libraries at the same time using a single subscription. For an even smoother experience, you can enable threat protection to block ads and trackers. It's optional, but it can make streaming feel cleaner and faster. And that's it. If you want the best price, use the link below to get 74% off plus 3 extra months. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave any questions in the comments.